Good morning, students. This is Shivani here. Welcome back to the math class. I hope you all are doing great. Let's start with the new topic, addition and subtraction together. Sometimes we come across problems where both addition and subtraction are involved. In such cases, we first add and then subtract. Let's start with exercise 3D to understand the concept addition and subtraction together. Now see question number 1. Solve the following. Now see question number 1. The numbers are 4237 minus 198 plus 617. Okay, students, you can see here both addition and subtraction are involved together. Okay, so in such case, firstly we will add then subtract. So here we will follow two steps. Okay, in these questions we will follow two steps. Step number 1, add the numbers of plus sign. Step number 1, add the numbers of plus sign. So you can see here before every number there is a sign. Here is minus sign, here is plus sign. So you can see here there is no sign before this number. Here there is no sign before this number, students. So you always remember that when there is no sign before any number, we always assume it as plus. Okay, so here is minus sign, here is plus sign, here is no sign. So you always remember that when there is no sign here, we always assume it as plus. Okay, so step number 1 is add the numbers of plus sign. So firstly we will add these two numbers. Okay, add 4237 and 617. Students, firstly we will write these numbers in columns. Okay, write here places also, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we always start writing from the right. Write first number 7 3 2 4. Next number is, yes, here 3. Okay, 7 1 6. Now put the sign of plus here because we are adding these numbers. Now so 7 plus 7, yes, 14. Right here for 1 carry over here. Yes, 3 plus 1, yes, very good, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Right here 5. 2 plus 6, yes, 8. Student, if any space is empty, we can put 0. So 4 plus 0, yes, 4. So the sum is 4854. Okay, next step is step number 2. Subtract 198 because here is a sign of minus. So we will subtract 198 from the sum obtained in the step number 1. So subtract 198 from the sum obtained in the step 1. Okay, so first write here places also, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we are subtracting 198 from the sum. So firstly we will write the sum on the top. Okay, 4854. Now subtract 198. So write here 198. Now put the sign of minus here. Okay, student, 4 minus 8. Yes, we can't subtract 8 from 4 because 4 is less than 8. So here need to take one borrow from the tens place. So we will take one borrow from this 5. So this 4 becomes 14 and this 5 becomes, yes, 4. Okay, now student, 14 minus 8, yes, 6. 4 minus 9. We can't subtract 9 from 4 because 4 is less than 9. Here again we will take one borrow from the hundreds place. So we will take one borrow from this 8. So this 4 becomes 14 and this 8 becomes 7. Okay, 14 minus 9. Yes, student, 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Yes, very good. 7 minus 1, 6. In empty space, you can put here 0. 4 minus 0, yes, 4. So the answer is 4656. Now in this question, we will follow two steps. Firstly, we will add the numbers of plus sign. Okay, then subtract the remaining number, means the number which is having minus sign. Okay, subtract this number from the sum obtained in the step number 1. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. Okay, I will explain one more question with you. I am explaining fourth question. See here, the numbers are 2853 plus 3172 minus 3535. Again we will follow two steps. Okay, you can see here, student, this number is of which sign? Yes, this number has plus sign. I already told you, when there is no sign, we assume it as plus. This number has plus sign, this number has minus sign. So step number 1, add the numbers of plus sign. So we will add these two numbers. Add 2853 and 3172. Write it places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. First number is 2853. Next number is 3172. Now add these numbers. Yes, student, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 here, 1 carry over here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over here. 2 plus 3, yes, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So the sum is 6025. Now step number 2. Subtract this number from the sum obtained in the step number 1. So we will write here, subtract 3535 from the sum obtained in the step 1. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So write the sum here, 6025. Now subtract this number, that is 3535. Now put the sign of minus here. Okay, student, 5 minus 5, yes, 0. 2 minus 3, student, this is not possible. We can't subtract 3 from 2 because 2 is less than 3. So here we need to take one borrow from the hundreds place. But hundred place is also having 0. So this 0 will take one borrow from this thousand place. So this 0 will take one borrow from this 6. So this 0 becomes 10 and this 6 becomes 5. Okay. Now this 2 will take one borrow from this 10. So this 2 becomes, yes, 12 and this 10 becomes 9. Good. Now 12 minus 3, yes student, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer is 2490. I hope question number 4 is clear to everyone. Now see one more part. I am explaining sixth part. The numbers are 5333 minus 2222 plus 4309. Okay, now step number 1. add the numbers of plus sign. So here is no sign, we assume it as plus. So we will add these two numbers. Add 5333 and 4309. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Right, first number 5333 and 4309. Okay, now add these numbers. Yes, 3 plus 9, 12. Now 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. Now see step number 2. Subtract 2222 from the sum obtained in the step 1. Write a places ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now write the sum 9642. Write next number 2222. Now subtract these numbers. Yes, 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 2, yes, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. So the answer is 7420. I hope question number 1 of exercise 3D is clear to everyone. So the rest of the parts are similar. You can do yourself. Thank you. Have a great day.